Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today we have started for class 12th, that is 2nd PUC Karnataka State Board test series. So this is the subject economics. Here everyday wise we are going to release the very important questions, and these are the assured questions. And the students who have lagged with their studies, or else the one who have difficulty to face the board exam, or who are confused like how to score in the upcoming final board exam, so this is the video for you. Is this clear? Good. So here we have given the questions, so please kindly follow up. And also we have given part A, part B or part C. These questions in which part the questions may appear, here we have given the format. So according to those words, according to the sentences and points, you are supposed to study. Is this clear? Good. Now as you can see, this is economics paper, part B and part C questions, and here we are giving the questions from minimum to maximum marks. So kindly follow this. So it will be a day wise routine for you people to score the very good marks in the upcoming board exam, and the PDF of this link will be shared to you people in the below description. Kindly download that PDF and you can practice. If you like this video, do not forget to click the like button, and still yet if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck.